Good, go for it. This is our new 3,500 PSI and holy cow. This is our brand new 3,500 PSI 12 gallon a minute high volume cold water power washer with a huge V-twin 35 horsepower hot water power washer. 993 cc big block engine. This is a beast, and believe it or not, we hooked to a garden hose with decent supply, so we weren't even anywhere near full power coming off of that beast right there. And you saw it blow this pallet around down. So this is our new generation of cold water power washer. Then we're even going to have a hot water version of this. Thank you again, and give us a call.